Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
10X Game Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Monday, February 10th. XRP is at $2.41. Guys, today is the start of a new week. Let's get right into it. Excuse me. Sorry, a little tickle in my throat. But guys, we got some great news today. Big news. Potential. Could Ripple and the SEC case get dropped soon? Potentially this Thursday, the 13th. We've got some massive news, potentially of an XRP ETF dropping any day now, and potentially the CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, joining the Crypto Council. Let's dive right into it, but first let's start off with the charts. On the daily, you can see we're closing this daily candle in about 10 minutes here. Say we got another green day, guys. Like this same exact candle for the past 3-4 days. We've just been going sideways, closing at the exact same price. Something massive is about to happen. When you get multiple days that are just stuck in the exact same range, kind of like over here, multiple days just stuck in the same range, and then boom, explosive move to the downside. Hopefully we're looking for an explosive move to the upside this time, as we do have the stochastic coming up. Whereas this, we'll see what happens, guys. Honestly, let's zoom down a little bit. You can still see we're just trading in this channel. Nothing too much has changed. You could say that we have potentially something like this going on with support and resistance. Potentially something along these lines of like a pennant that we're getting ready. Like we're literally in the apex of this thing. If it even is a pennant of some sort, but you can see the support here for sure. So if we do come down, our next support level is the 238. If that breaks, expect a test to the 206 level, around 206. But guys, if we are pumping up here, if we do get that pump, we got to get above the ribbon at 267 and continue up from there. Major resistance now coming in at 295. So once we can break above that, we should be shooting right through the $3 range and up to $4. Right now, it's been kind of boring, just been going sideways like I've been saying. But I do think something massive is about to happen this week. If you note on the weekly time frame, we haven't done much yet because the daily has just been a very unproductive day. But we do have a bottom wick here that could be suffice to potentially have a rocket candle up. We don't need much of a bottom wick when we have those candles. So we'll have to see what happens with that one. I don't like how extended this is on the stochastic for the weekly, and how much it's coming down. It's pointed down pretty steep. Although anything can happen when it is coming down. Let's take a look at this one, for instance. Look at how steep this was coming down. We did have this green candle right here in the middle of this. So we are right in the middle. We could get a green candle, a green week. But we are hoping for that explosive move to ultimately turn this stochastic around. Have the blue cross the orange and continue back up higher. So everything's looking bullish. Everything's looking great. We're just waiting. Decision time. Are we going to go up or down? I think we're going to go up, retest the 290, 295 range. We'll see what happens if we want to just flirt around with these ranges, come down again, test $2, and then take off. If you guys don't follow me on X, follow me at official NDE. That's at official NDE. Let's get right into it. You guys are locked in. Here's one from the XRP girl. She says, February 13th will be Ripple's next close meeting. This could determine whether they drop the SEC case or continue to fight. So that's what I was saying earlier, guys. This is massive. In just a couple days, on Thursday, 3 days here, the 13th. You know the 1% loves to use the 13, that number specifically. On top of it being a Thursday, guys, I mean, we've been waiting for how long now? Ever since Trump took administration, took the office. Trump's administration, we've been waiting to drop this case. The SEC, I'm sorry, I'm tongue twisting right now. I've been waiting for a while for the SEC just to throw this out ever since Trump got in office. And so, yeah, any day now, guys. Any day this thing's getting dropped, in my opinion. any day. This was a tweet from David Schwartz. I said, because everything that David Schwartz posts has some sort of hidden message to it. So he said, it wasn't on my travel plans, but I guess I'm going to Manila now. Anyone want to bring them back one of their famous folders? And so, what could this mean? ETA 423, April 23rd, maybe something massive happens there. I guess we'll see what happens when we get there. Breaking news, JP Morgan says XRP can attract $8 billion in inflows from XRP ETFs. And this one's from Kenny Nugent. Mr. Nugent 007 is his tag. But he posted that earlier. And yes, guys, so once the XRP ETF does drop, which it is coming soon, there's so many filings out for these XRP ETFs. Once it gets approved, there's going to be billions of dollars that flow into XRP. It's only going to push the price higher. Until next time, guys, I'll keep you updated every day along the way, and I will see you in the next one.
3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your